Is AI coming for your job? Or maybe instead you can get it to work for you? Well, fortunately, we have the expert to tell us all about AI and whether it's something that is friend or foe. I'd like to introduce you to Jamie McNeely Temple. Jamie is the Senior Director of Business Operations and AI Transformation at 8 by 8. She's also the author of The Insight Age, which is going to be published very soon. And we're very excited to have her as our upcoming speaker for our next ProWin Signature Luncheon on Wednesday, July 16th in Maggiano's Perimeter at 11:30. Jamie, I would love to know, is AI our biggest threat? Is it something that we should be afraid of?
I would say if you're not using it, then yes. If you're using it, you're learning about it, right? If you view something as an enemy, learn about it. Learn how to work with them instead of letting it become your enemy. So the biggest perspective I'd want to offer there is learn about AI, figure out how to use it in your personal life, figure out how to use it with your kids, your grandkids, and then start using that and start applying it to your job. So if you're using it to either augment yourself, think about times when you would have called a friend on a vacation planning idea. Try AI first and then go to your friend once you do a little bit of research. What about your best mentor, your favorite coworker you like to brainstorm with? You can get started in AI. So that's where you can start augmenting and you start to get to know what it can do for you. That way, once you're comfortable with that, then you can start automating. What are some repetitive tasks you do over and over and again? And you know them like the back of your hand. That's something now you can start using AI to build something to automate and you just offload that busy work. Then you can use more time for your creative energy.
Well, sounds more like a dream come true than a nightmare. We can't wait to hear more about AI from Jamie at the next ProWin Signature Luncheon. So I hope that you will join us so we can learn and start using this tool that's really right at our fingertips. So come and register at prowin.com, and we look forward to seeing you there.